know, we had a lot of real estate, rental real estate, and when the market crashed in 2007, 2008. Why some of our friends were panicking because they didn't have fixed mortgages. We had fixed mortgages. And so when they were panicking because their houses and their rental property was losing value, we didn't care because our properties were rented. As a matter of fact, there was more need for rent, for rentals when people were losing their homes because they couldn't afford them any longer. It's the same mission that we've always had in our rental business. It's the same mission I have right now in Denver. I mean, we live in an area where the rents could possibly be somewhere between $2,300 and $2,500. We have tenants now because based on their income, they're only paying about $1,100 a month. So we're already doing that. And to find somebody else that felt the same way that we did,
yes,
right, about affordable housing, and we didn't think it existed out there.
We didn't.
We really didn't.
Mm-hmm.
So what Don says and the manner in which he says it is really important. So DLP Capital was a wonderful place for us to put our money to work, helping Don do his work. We've tried to always be a little bit below market rent, and that's exactly what DLP does, right? They're trying to be below market rent. They're 30% of the median income for the market that they're in. I mean, that's unheard of. And the fact that they're trying to build rental housing, the fact they're trying to build multifamily and some single families, right, in this environment and still fit within the matrix of having that rental property at 30% of the median income, I think that's so important. I worry myself is like my kids. They're not going to be able to afford to buy anything. We're building cabins at an RV park that we own in Texas. Little 244 square foot cabins that rent for $700-800 a month. And we have a line of people that want to rent them.
Yes.
We can't build them fast enough because there's no place to rent for $700 or $800 a month. We went to the event in New Orleans in March, and at that particular point in time, because we were looking for a place to invest. And actually I was working with another financial planner to invest in the stock market again because you didn't know where else, right? It's like there's no other place. I didn't want to buy any more rental property. So we were looking for a place to invest, and then after meeting with Larry, we decided this is good.
Yes.
This is what we're going
I
to
really
do.
enjoyed that event in March.
Yeah.
In New Orleans.
And there's an old adage, and it's investors, while they like the return on their investment, they really want the return of their investment. So in other words, the motto, don't lose money, don't lose your investors' money, that speaks so loudly to me. And that's what Don has said over and over again is, we're not going to lose our investors' money. And that's really important.
It's paramount.
Well, the customer service that Larry gives us is phenomenal. I can text him, I can call him, I can email him. I think I could send up a smoke signal.
And he'd know.
And he would know. And he would get back with you, right? And he would answer your questions. Actually, after the first couple of months, I really didn't have any other than how can I acquire more money to invest? That's really our only question is now, how much more can we put in?